ASD. This is the week 4 project. I've spent about 3 hours on this so far, and it's pretty much done. What went better this week than expected. With the jQuery UI was, jQuery couch plugin thingamajig. That definitely made it easy. It's pretty much just JavaScript, and then Ajax, then you include a little bit of thing in front of it. What didn't go so well is the fact that, in case you haven't noticed yet, the jQuery plugin is horribly documented. It's not very clear. There's 3 or 4 different places. It basically seems like it was pulled out of an existing project someone else made rather than released on its own. Of course, we need all the skills from all the previous projects. Of course, I don't know why this keeps graying out. Now, as to what my app, you can see everything here works. It's really, really, really slow in the emulator. That's just part of the beast. I mean, you can hear when I click probably, whereas in the iOS emulator, here, can I scroll even? Yeah, look at this. This is horrible. I don't know how anyone develops with this. That's my biggest complaint about the emulator. The emulator is a piece of junk. Honestly, it's horribly slow. If the devices were this slow, I don't know why anyone would ever use it. Yeah, the simulator is much better. I understand it's running native code, but this is actually usable to test with for the most part. We can see that I can edit everything really quickly and easy. I'm showing you on here just because I don't even want to begin to deal with it on Android. Everything works, and also, let's see, sometimes Dora does things, and now I can just put an exclamation point in there. I'm done. And now see, if I wanted to, I can delete it. Let's not do that. Let's just save these changes. I don't know why it says authentication required. It's not required. Anyways, I can go back. Let's go back. And let's cancel. Sorry. And that's pretty much the app. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It is a web app. I was tempted just to drop this in PhoneGap and call it a day. But there's honestly no reason to put this in the simulator. Let me pull up some of this here. If you'll notice, this is Safari. This is... Let me just go back to my first view here. Index.html. These are the same. Slight width difference is just because of rendering issues, like the way that this simulator works, but they're essentially the same. I mean, they're running the same rendering engine in the background. So if it works here, it will work here. They just see how it says add to with its blank. So this would, I'd have to tweak the sizes to make it fit a little bit better, or up here tweak it, but minor differences that really, like, I could just tweak it here if I wanted to. And everything works. Go check it out, and if you have any questions, let me know. All my code's on GitHub and CloudEnt. So have a good one. Let me see. I look forward to seeing what you guys have done.